Gareth, just first of all, I mean, day before the game, you're winning your 50th cap tomorrow. That's quite an individual achievement in itself.
Yeah, no, it's a big moment for me myself, getting my 50th cap. But yeah, that goal all goes out the window really. I think we're so concentrated on the game, on trying to get the victory, trying to get a good performance that yeah, that kind of goes to right to the back of my mind, and I think just purely focused on the job in hand.
You've had nearly a fortnight together, short break in the middle. How have things gone?
Yeah, very well. We've had a lot of time to work on things which really need to be worked on, and yeah, it gives us that time to really focus in on what our game plan is, and hopefully you can execute on the day.
Because you come into the game on the back of not just a good performance, excellent performance, but a fantastic result as well in Israel, don't you?
Yeah, definitely, and yeah, we're full of confidence, which is always a good thing. So yeah, we're all looking forward to the game tomorrow, and hopefully we can provide a great performance and a great victory, and yeah, put us on our way.
Full house, stadium sold out in what, just 6 days. I suppose this is what international football should all be about, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely, and yeah, no one's worked harder than us ourselves, and yeah, it's been a long time coming. There's been a lot of hard work over the years, a lot of ups and downs, and yeah, I think the whole nation now can see that we're doing well, we're working hard, playing good football, and yeah, hopefully they can keep supporting us, and yeah, hopefully they can be the 12th man tomorrow and get behind the team.
No Fellaini, but they're still a fantastic side, aren't they, the Belgians? I mean, they're not second in the world for nothing.
Yeah, exactly. They're second in the world. They're the second best team in the whole planet. So we know it's going to be a very difficult game. We know the quality of players they've got, but we've also got quality ourselves. So yeah, we know it's going to be a big task, but when we're confident about, when we're going into the game full of belief, and hopefully we can do the job on the night.